The Schwarze Bakery and Confectionery near Leipzig, Germany was founded in 1921 by Max Schwarze. Today his great-grandsons, Percy and Ken Schwarze, continue the family tradition as master bakers. With 5 specialist shops and 3 mobile outlets, they supply their customers with baked goods made from local raw materials. In this modern bakery, fresh and high-quality products are made from traditional recipes and time-honoured craftsmanship, but modern and eco-friendly technologies have found a place here too. In 2015, for example, a more efficient heat recovery system for the gas-fired ovens was installed. We are the Schwarze Bakery located near Leipzig, Germany. We have 5 specialist shops, 3 mobile outlets and now 70 employees. We've installed a new heat recovery system from Exodraft on all of our ovens, which we rebuilt 2 years ago. We use the recovered heat to heat the water for our dishwasher, and water that we use for cleaning, as well as the underfloor heating system and our shower water. We had a heat recovery system before, but we've now increased our efficiency many times over. It works very well, and we're very happy with the result. It requires very little maintenance, and it's very easy to operate and also quite easy to maintain. The Exodraft heat recovery system, aided by Exodraft chimney fans, ensures a stable, trouble-free and future-proof production, in addition to providing the Schwarze Bakery with continuous energy savings. Take advantage of the energy stored in the excess heat from your ovens and use it to warm up water for your heating systems, cleaning equipment, shower facilities and much more. Exodraft plans and supplies the heat recovery system for either flue gas, steam or process heat, and subsequently puts it into operation, leaving you to enjoy the benefits. Visit exodraft-heatrecovery.com to find out how to utilize your excess heat and contact us today.